it's your sound back, and I'm gonna show you how to create shortcuts for your desktop applications. So first step, choose any application you want. Now example, I want downloads. Click on downloads and this pops up. You better don't do this, so just click on downloads, don't leave the button, drag it onto your desktop. Here you can see. You can see it's a shortcut here. See shortcut 2. Then go to properties. You can see shortcut key none. Click on none or next to it. Now example, I'll put number 9 and click OK. Now as soon as I click on number 9, download pops up. I'll show you once again if you didn't understand. Delete this. Click on your window button. Hold your application you want to. You can even use downloaded applications. So here's my downloads. Go to properties. Right click over here. Click properties. Shortcut key, click, choose the number you want or anything, OK. And as soon as I click number 9, downloads. So that's it for today, and don't forget to subscribe and like as well as comment. So thank you for watching, and bye.